campus of XIC in Xabia. This is Student View.
Hello, I'm Meghan from Boka, and some of the children will be trying some of the new things on the menu. I've got a savoury soya rice here. We've got the dish of the day today, which was cottage pie, and we've got a parmigiana, which is an aubergine bake, and of course you can't forget the dessert chocolate brownie. This is the soya rice. It's got coriander, veg, mushrooms, green beans, peppers, courgette. Don't look scared, Starla.
It looks well nice.
Is it good, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What do you like about it?
Everything, flavours. You can just taste the flavours.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's, my daughter loves that as well. That's what I'm doing. I'm feeding you what my child likes. Right, I'll start cutting up the parmigiana. Who is it who doesn't like aubergines? It's berenjena in Spanish, but I'll give you a little bit first. Yeah, you've got to try it. Parmigiana, it's an Italian dish. It's layered aubergines with tomato and mozzarella and parmesan and baked in the oven. So it goes like a lasagna, but obviously it doesn't have the pasta in it, so gluten-free. So I'll give you a little bit each to try, yeah?
Yep. Yeah.
Hang on, I'm going to drop some as well.
Thank you.
There we are. Do you like aubergines? You're not sure?
I do. Thank you.
Don't look scared.
I'm not looking scared. It looks well nice.
Right,
It
be
looks
honest
very
with me.
good.
Okay, if you don't like it, I won't be offended. But
It's
Right.
really good.
Really, you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like this one? What do you
I
think?
haven't tried the entire thing yet, but I tried.
You like it, yeah? See, I've converted you. Ah, that's the whole reason I like doing it. This is the cottage pie, which was the dish of the day, with some homemade veg. We've got some carrots, got some green beans, all fresh. With lots of gravy, onion gravy I made. Yeah, you like it?
It's so good. It's so
It's
good.
actually so good.
So you've tried 3 different dishes. Which was your favourite?
My favorite was cottage pie. It was honestly really good.
Ah, thank you very much. And you?
Same cottage pie.
Cottage pie?
All of them.
All 3? But if you
3.
could choose one?
Probably the first one.
The rice?
Yeah.
Ah, brilliant.
I like all 3 of them, but the aubergine one was
The aubergine?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good.
I really like the cottage pie.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was really good.
You could make it at home for your parents so they can try.
I'm not very good at cooking, but I should try it.
And now we've got the brownie. I'm guessing you all want to try some brownie,
yeah.
yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Try some brownie. Man.
Yeah,
It's really good.
thank you. So as you've all tried the food now, if anyone hasn't eaten at Boka, what would you say to them about the food?
I think I'll say to them that to try because there's a lot of alternatives.
Yep.
So if you don't like this, you can maybe like the other thing.
It's
maybe.
honestly
Yeah.
really good food for the price.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Yeah. There's also like a variety of things, like the vegetarian option in that.
Oh, yeah.
Meghan,
Yeah.
it's like an a la carte restaurant. I'd give it a 10/10.
Oh, thank you, thank
okay.
you. And you, my love?
I'd give it 10 out of 10 as well. 20 out of 10.
Oh, thank you. That's
Thank
good.
you, Meghan. Thank you,
That's okay,
Meghan.
no worries. I'm glad you liked it all, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
I'm glad I've converted you to liking aubergines. That's
Now you
the
have to
whole
go clean
choice.
up.
Yes, I'm now going to clean up after you all.